Check out this list of safe hair conditioners. Make sure that your conditioner contains these ingredients. And make sure that these ingredients are not there in the conditioner you're using. Two important insights: silicones are not the villain which they are made out to be, but try and avoid them if you can. And number two, if the top three ingredients are a quart, a butter and an oil, you have an excellent hair conditioner on your hand. Take care.